Later on, I shall given tomorrow I shall given you question, right? Now you read there. Everything should be read it there. Then symbol is that given the in this way what happened? We can given the symbol of only 26 elements, but at that time we know the element of 108. Then what happened? Again has come. What happened is they given the two number 1 and second of the alphabet. Suppose that calcium, Ca. Suppose aluminium. Here, in this way we can given that 26. It becomes that 56. No, 52. Now, what 108 element? How we are given it there? At that time, the given the name of the Latin language is there. Latin language is there. Latin, and then symbol taken by the Latin name. Suppose the sodium, we write the sodium SODIUM, but symbol has given Na. Why given? Latin name is the natrium. Yes, natrium. In this way, what happened? Potassium, Kali, K. In Kalium, yes. In this way, what happened is given the all of the name of the symbol. Symbol is the more important to write the chemical formula. In this way, they have given write the name of the all of the symbol given in the book. But what do you remember it there? Now you will. It is your work. All of the symbol you will read it there, because when I said teach it there, I not write the name of the element. Only I given the symbol. Suppose the iron. Ferrum, Fe. In this way, they are given the all of the element symbol are given is there. Chemistry more thing in the symbol. It is your work. All the every places I shall mention the only the symbol. Yes. Symbol of the element. Then atomic mass of the element. Atomic mass of the element. You know, atom is very small. Its mass we can, if you can write the mass is there. That mass has come 0.00000001 gram. So it is very small number is there. That's why what happened? Not possible to given the symbol by the weight by the gram or kg. That's why what happened? They have choose the element. But some details I tell you. First is choose the hydrogen, light element. That's why what happened? All they take the mass of the hydrogen. All the element will be measured in the hydrogen mass. Then what happened? In this way, when they have then what happened? Some of the number has come the point. Then what happened? They not choose the hydrogen, because hydrogen mass is not similar to the one. Then after that what happened? Lastly they choose the carbon 12. It has taken the 1 gram. 1 gram, 1 carbon is the 1/12. 1/12 of the carbon has taken the 1 gram. समझ रहे? कार्बन को जो है कार्बन 12 को जो है दे हैव टेकन द मास ऑफ द यूनिट, क्योंकि ग्राम नॉट पॉसिबल टू मेजर ऑल द एलिमेंट, बिकॉज वेरी स्मॉल नंबर हैज कम. दैट व्हाई व्हाट हैपेंड? दे हैव चूज द एलिमेंट 1/12 ऑफ द कार्बन. कार्बन हैज द 2 कार्बन 1 कार्बन 14 1 कार्बन 2 isotopes of the carbon, isotope 2 1 कार्बन 12. So 12 has taken the 1 unit 1/12 is taken the 1 gram. इसी को मान लिया 1 gram and they measure all of the element. They have measured, इसको ही मान लिया 1 gram and all the element measured by the this. Suppose that sodium mass is at 23. What is the meaning of this? Its meaning is that, write it here. Its meaning is that sodium is 23 times heavier than 1/12 of carbon. This sodium का वेट 23 ग्राम लिखा हुआ है, इसका मतलब है कि 1/12 ग्राम से ये 23 टाइम हेवियर है, भारी है. इसी को मान लिया ये यूनिट. They have taken the unit of this. इसी को मान लिया यूनिट. And all the element measured by the 1/12 of the carbon. जिसका जितना आया वजन सबका लिख दिया. इसका मतलब होता है one question will come. What question has come? I write the question. If क्लियर तब भर दो वेट का
करेक्ट टाइम पास हुआ दिया भरा आपने पकड़
तुम शांत हो लिया
मार्क्स के बाद क्या लिखा है
mass number of nitrogen is equal at 14 atomic mass unit. What do you understand by this? What do you understand by this? इसमें क्या समझ में आ रहा है? देखो AMU ये atomic mass unit. What is the atomic mass unit? 1/12 of the carbon.
Yes.
14 gram of them. It means that nitrogen is 14 times heavier than 1/12 of carbon.
एटॉमिक मास कैसे निकालेंगे सर?
एटॉमिक मास जिसका सबका मास दिया हुआ है एटॉमिक मास निकालने का बताएंगे अभी एटॉमिक मास कैसे निकालूंगा अभी तो स्टार्टिंग ही है जितना भी मास है ऑल मास है गिवन बाय द 1/12 ऑफ द कार्बन 1/1 कार्बन को क्या क्या 1/12 पे इधर ले लिया
इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन
देंगे अभी स्टार्टिंग नहीं हुआ चैप्टर हम सब देंगे सब दे देंगे सब बता देंगे जो आएगा हाँ
ओके सर
अभी तो स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया ना आई स्टार्ट ओनली now
एटॉमिक मास कैसा इशू नहीं
how do I run Firstly, I say that all the atom always live in the inert position, inert gas. What is the inert gas? Now you tell me what is the inert gas? Complete the object. Huh? So all the atom. Now atom are found in two forms. First is the ion, and second is the molecule. So what is the ion? Ion means charge. How atom found in the charge? First I say that. Suppose that atomic number of sodium is the 11. Sodium atomic number is the 11. How you will write it there? 281. One thing about all the metal, they always become the inert gas. How they will lose the electron? Because one if last orbit has the 1, 2 or 3 electron means this is the metal. Right? And last orbit 1, 2, 3 found is there. This is the metal. 4 is the metal wire. 5, 6, 7 non-metal. 8 inert. Except helium. Yes, except helium. Remember it there. Only helium is the one of the non-metal. In the last one is the 2 electron, but it is the inert gas. Only helium. Why? This question will come in the night. Which of the element has the last orbit 2 electrons, but it is known as the inert gas. Helium. Why? Because helium has the only one orbit. If any of the element has only one orbit, K shell is there, filled by the 2 electrons, it is the inert gas. According to the theory of the Bohr, it will come later on, will come Bohr atomic structure. That's why 1, 2, 3 found there, it is the metal. All the metal was 5, 6, 7 the non-metal, 8 is the inert gas. Then all metal lost the electron and become the charge. Why it become the charge? Because all atoms contain the same number of electron and proton. Proton and electron is the same. Proton or electron is the same. Proton is the positive charge, electron is the negative charge. Now you see there, this is the sodium atom. Number of proton is the 11. Proton positive charge is the 11. When he will lost the one electron, the number of electrons become the 10. What will be answer? 1 plus 1. That's why sodium becomes the this is time. Aluminium, one answer you will say. Aluminium atomic number is 30. How many charges found in this aluminium ion? Not understood. Next one. Write the electronic configuration. कैसे लिखोगे electronic configuration? 2, 8, 3. 3 means it is the metal. Very confirm. It is the metal. All metal lost the electron and become the ion. Then he will lose the atomic number is the 13 means number of proton is the 30. Number of electron is also 30. But what happened? He stable. How it become the stable? By losing the 3 electrons. Lost 3. Then number of electrons become the 10 plus 3. So aluminium become the plus 3. Clear? So all the metal what they will do is there, lost the electron and become the positive charge, ion state. Second is the molecular state. How it found the molecular? Same element joined together. Some non-metal. Non-metal what they will do is there. Non-metal I given the one example is the chlorine. Atomic number is the 17. Chlorine atomic number is the 17. Electronic configuration 287. He will not lose the electron. Gain the electron. Always try to gain or share. Gain or share. So what when one chlorine 287, another of the chlorine is there 287. Then what about one electron they will share each other. Share करेगा each other. That's how it is the same. Now, 287. Now what happened? How it become the inert gas? They share one of the electron. One electron share that. When they will share now number of last orbit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One sharing 8. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Complete the object.
Why they will say sir?
Because always all the elements always tried there. How it become the inert gas? Stability. In hydrogen you have seen in the atmosphere, hydrogen always found in the H2. Why we write the H2? Always H is the symbol. But when you write the hydrogen, hydrogen always is in the H2. H never found in there. One hydrogen never found in the atmosphere. Itself will be joined together and complete the object. यदि नहीं करता तो नाइट्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन फाउंड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर 78% नाइट्रोजन 21% ऑक्सीजन ये दो गैस पाया जाता है नाइट्रोजन से व्हाई नाइट्रोजन इजीली रिएक्ट विद द ऑक्सीजन दे मेक द नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड बट नेवर फाउंड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर कहीं बनता है
नहीं
ना हाउ दे विल रिएक्ट विद देयर कैसे रिएक्ट करता है व्हेन सपोज दैट नाइट्रोजन ज्वाइन विद द ऑक्सीजन by that bond when you break this bond then they will react with the otherwise not here that's why oxygen found in the atmosphere O2 nitrogen and 2 living is there never reacted there but when suppose that sometime thunder has come thunder आता है तब क्या होता है नाइट्रोजन लिक्विड ब्रेकअप इसका बॉन्ड जो है टू नाइट्रोजन ज्वाइन टुगेदर बाय द कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड नाइट्रोजन A1 नाइट्रोजन 3 बॉन्ड ज्वाइन करता है नाइट्रोजन का एटॉमिक नंबर इज 7 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 3 will be joined together complete object and 2 when thunder has come in here जब thunder आता है एक आता है यहाँ से thunder का टूट जाता है when there is break is there not a single second living in a atomic stage what they will do there at that time nitrogen react oxygen will be also breakable nitrogen react with oxygen they make the nitrous oxide and when water will be coming there join with the water it become the HNO3 nitric acid that is known as the acid rain that's why when any of the element when they will react there when it breakable is there then otherwise not remember here that's why it is found hydrogen oxygen all found in the molecular stage same atom joined together to complete the object that is called the molecule yes and iron means all the metal what happened is there they lost the electron and become the positive ion and non-metal complete the non-metal gain the electron become the negative ion positive ion how you see here and now I given the one example of the non-metal up here 2 6 then what happen how it complete the object by gaining 2 electrons if atomic number is 8 then number of proton is the what is the number of proton is the 8 P is the proton is the 8 I electron is the also 8 all elements contain the same number of proton and electron 8 and 8 right now what happened is there he gained 2 electrons to complete the object number of electrons become the 10 positive charge negative charge -2 it become the ion negative ion cation and ion positive charge is known as the cation negative charge become the anion so all the metal remember there found in the ionic stage all metal found in the cation stage or non-metal found in the anion stage or molecular state molecular state means same atom joined together and complete the object that is known as the molecule clear clear what is the atom what is the molecule what is the ion ion not clear ion means charge लो ठीक है ion बहुत कुछ एक बार डिस्कस करेंगे ion means charge चार्ज कितना टाइप का होता है पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज नोन एज द cation नेगेटिव चार्ज नोन एज द anion
रिपीट cation
हां नहीं हां ये इसको पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव cation anion now what happen all the elements are the electrically neutral why because number of proton and number of electron in the same ध्यान रखना प्रोटॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन का वेट डिफरेंट है बट चार्ज इज द सेम प्रोटॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज इज द सेम 1.6 1.6 दिया हुआ 1.67 दिया हुआ 1.67
जो भी है सब पॉइंट
जूल कर इतना जूल है इन्हें दोनों का सेम तो all the atoms contain the same number of proton or electron that's why it is the electric neutron हाँ जितना भी है सब जितना है प्रोटॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन का नंबर है सेम that's why all atoms become the same but how it become the charge number of proton or electron is the same all the elements to complete the octet metal complete the octet what happened they will lose the electron how many electron loss is there that much charge has come suppose I give one example sodium 11 atomic number of sodium 11 meaning is that it contains the 11 proton and 11 electron to complete the octet he will lose the 281 he lost one electron when he lost the one electron is there number of becomes 10 becomes the positive one so sodium becomes the cation इसलिए ये आया भैया चार्ज हाँ लॉस किया यदि कोई जन कहेगा 285 होगा
प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन लॉस
क्या हाँ प्रोटॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूट्रॉन नहीं पढ़ा है
इलेक्ट्रॉन
हाँ
प्रोटॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ऑलवेज
सेम all elements contain the same number of proton and electron due to this property all atoms are electrically neutral now to complete the octet it becomes the ion charge all the metal lost the electron by complete the octet that's why it becomes the positive charge all the elements when they will non-metal gain the electron to complete the octet it becomes the negative ion okay understood समझिए क्यों ये चार्ज होता है a molecule means same atom join together and complete the octet then it becomes the molecule but one thing more remember there all the atoms metal never will be share the electron कभी join नहीं करता because both have the positive charge only non-metal can share the electron but now we can say never share the metal never share the electron always they will lose the electron because last of it 1 to 3 how they will share it there 5 they cannot share it there 5 is non-metal metal non-metal can join together how react it there देखो कैसे रिएक्शन करता है sodium has the 281 1 positive charge chlorine is the 17 287 then one electron become one negative charge due to this positive charge and negative charge join together and make the NaCl इसलिए जाके दोनों सबके बनाता है NaCl एक पॉजिटिव है एक नेगेटिव है नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव चार्ज will be attract together then they become the that why they will react there because due to the charge metal non-metal react together make the compound is there because one is the positive charge one is the negative charge सोडियम का क्या ये क्लोरीन को दे दिया ये हो गया एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्लोरीन गेनिंग वन इलेक्ट्रॉन बिकम वन नेगेटिव चार्ज ड्यू टू द पॉजिटिव चार्ज नेगेटिव चार्ज ज्वाइन टुगेदर दे मेक द NaCl क्लियर this the ion how element become the ion how what is the molecule 9 कैसा पोर्शन है और है
पहले ले सर
now has given some of the element mass has given formula of the compound
Sir, in case of metalite, sir,
क्या
in case of metalite,
metalite has the both property there metal and non-metal he In the place of, suppose that he, what happens, they can gain or loss, both can do it there. That's why metal has contain the two properties there. Suppose that 284 ये 4 गेन भी कर सकता है, 4 लॉस भी कर सकता है. बहुत प्रॉपर्टीज प्रेजेंट है, जो जरूरत पड़ेगा इसमें.
They will react with metals or non-metals, sir.
Yes, that's why metal means some the property of metal and non-metal both. In the, if there is a needed, they will lose the electron. Needed, they gain the electron. That's why it is content of both properties, that is metal. Inner gas, they will not loss, not gain. It is found in the free state. Which of the element found in the free state? Yes. इसमें एक question, one question has come with there. Diatomic. इसमें ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था, जो क्वेश्चन लिख देते ask. Important general must will be asked it there. Atmosity. Diatmosity, triatmosity. What is the meaning of diatmosity? Two atoms join together, they make the molecules. Means hydrogen, chlorine. And three. Example? Ozone. Yes. Ozone, the oxygen में क्या अंतर है? Atomic number is the oxygen is the 8, 2, 6. How they become the inner gas? देखो पहले ये दो को शेयर कर लिया.
Yes, sir.
Diatmosity हुआ 2 atom. This is the oxygen gas. Now what happens here? If there is the less of the oxygen, then what they will do is there. अब वो क्या करेगा ये? One more oxygen is here. One share here, one share here, one share. अब देखो कंप्लीट करता है ऑब्जेक्ट.
क्या मतलब सर समझे?
अरे ये इससे शेयर किया, ये इससे शेयर किया, ये इससे शेयर किया. देखो अब गिनो दो. 1 2 3 4 5 6. वन शेयर है 8. इसका भी वही है 1 2 3 4 5 6 और 2 शेयर 8. इसका भी वही है 2 शेयर बाय 2 और 6 शेयर अपने पास 8 हो गया. कितना ऑक्सीजन ज्वाइन किया? 3 ऑक्सीजन. 3 ऑक्सीजन ज्वाइन टुगेदर एंड कंप्लीट द ऑक्टेट. दैट्स व्हाई O3 इज द ओजोन. This is ozone layer. Ozone layer joined by the single bond. What is the difference between oxygen and ozone? Both have the same gas, but oxygen is a double bond. That's why single bond is a strong bond, not easily breakable. इसको हम तोड़ नहीं सकते. डबल बॉन्ड है इजीली ब्रेकेबल, तुरंत टूट जाएगा. तो क्या होता है? In the ozone layer, when there is any one oxygen will be pulled out by the depletion of the ozone layer. सुना वरना paper depletion of the ozone layer in the some of the region. That's why control the pollution. तो how operation depletion of the ozone layer क्या होता है? ozone layer क्या कैसे टूटता है? Not breakable by there. When suppose that carbon has come in there, carbon taken one oxygen. जैसे ये oxygen लेगा ये डबल बॉन्ड बना देगा. डिप्लेशन ओजोन लेयर से पास कर जाएगा. इसी को कहा जाता है ओजोन लेयर बिकम द ऑक्सीजन, दैट इज द डिप्लेशन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर. अब इससे ऑक्सीजन पास कर जाएगा. क्लियर? यही होता है कि हम जब कार्बन देते हैं, कार्बन ऑक्सीजन को जैसे पुल आउट दिया, ऑक्सीजन ज्वाइन टुगेदर एंड बिकम द कंप्लीट द ऑब्जेक्ट, बिकम द ऑक्सीजन गैस. डबल बॉन्ड इज द वीक बॉन्ड. डबल बॉन्ड जो है वीक बॉन्ड है, इसलिए अल्ट्रावायलेट से पास कर जाता है.
Why carbon pull out the more oxygen, sir?
ऑक्सीजन तो कोई दूसरा गैस कार्बन को हम बता रहे हैं. कार्बन क्या है? कार्बन हैज द 4 वैलेंसी. कार्बन इज द मोर एट्रैक्टिव टुवर्ड द ऑक्सीजन. कार्बन को ऑक्सीजन से ज़्यादा, जैसे क्या है, सपोज दैट आई आस्क यू आर लाइक टू द टेकन द राइस है, आई कीप इट हेयर राइस एंड हेयर इज द ग्रास। हम यहाँ घास भी रख दिया, यहाँ चावल रख दिया, भात दाल सब्जी रख दी। If I shall call the tiger, what they will take it there?
घास खाएगा।
क्यों घास? और हरिण को बुलाएंगे तो? और बाघ? टाइगर?
कुछ नहीं खाएगा सर।
अरे फिश रख दिए, मीट रख दिए। हाँ? No, tiger attack toward the place. Huh? A deer toward the grass. Why? Both are living in that forest. Where they prefer? Why tiger not taking the grass? He living in the forest. तो इसी तरह कार्बन का क्या है? They are more attracted toward the oxygen. That's why when we are burning the oxygen, the carbon has gone there. Excess of the content of the carbon, they pull out the oxygen. समझिए क्यों पुल आउट करता है? This is the